I just sat here and talked for that long and I wasn't even recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a super simple smoky eye look. Anybody can pull this off. I used one palette. It smelled like chocolate. I'm on a diet and it was so hard. I'm going to take my fluffy blending brush and go in with the shade Innocent and just apply that all over my crease so we can start our transition shade. Next, I'm going to take an eyeliner pencil and just apply that on my bottom waterline, tightline my upper lash line, and then just very sloppily go along my lash line as well. And then I'm going to take a smudger brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics and just start blending that eyeliner out and just pulling it up so that way I get a nice smoky blended effect on the top lid. I should have done this on the bottom, but I forgot. Then I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics and go in with the shade Smoked. I'm going to apply this over top of that eyeliner to help blend that out a little bit more and create a nice smoky transition. Next, I'm going to use the Luxie 209 large shader brush with the shade Whimsy, which is a beautiful warm chocolate brown color, and just apply that all over my lid and blend that upwards into the crease area. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with a fluffy blending brush and with no product on it and just blend everything out. Now I'm going to take a definer brush by Morphe and go in with the shade Smoked and just apply that all over my bottom lash line. This will help to blend out that eyeliner that I forgot to smudge. Going back in with the shade Whimsy on the eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. and just applying that on the bottom lash line so we can blend everything out. I wanted a more dramatic effect, so I took a tapered blending brush by Morphe in with the shade Smoked and just applied that on my outer corner. Now I'm taking that fluffy blending brush again, going back in with Whimsy and mixing that with the shade Innocent and just applying that in my outer corner to blend out all of the colors. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Classic and just apply that as my brow bone highlight. Now it's time for mascara. Today I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is currently my favorite. It applies very well on both the top and bottom lashes. Now I'm going to take the Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island and apply that on my cheeks using the SLMissGlam L36 brush. And then I'm going to take the Luxie 209 brush and apply it on my chin and nose. And then finally, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Liquid Lipstick in the shade Everlasting Caramel. This is the best long-wearing lipstick that I have used so far. That's it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed. As you can see, it was a very simple look to do. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I only brought a few brushes today. Well, I guess to me this is what a few brushes means. And we were wild and free, and you know that it can't help me.